Here's how to download and install Valorant on PC and laptop. So first you will need to go to the browser and search for Play Valorant, and then click on the first link and it should take you to the official Riot website. Now you can click on Play for Free button and then choose the platform you want to play on, for example PC. Click on it and then it will ask you to sign into your Riot account. Now if you don't have one, you can click on Make One and it will prompt you to choose username, a password and email. If you have one already, click Sign In and then log into your account. Press the arrow here and then scroll down and click Download and it will start downloading the Valorant installer. Now you can also use Epic Games if you want. You can open your Epic Games launcher and go to Store and then search for Valorant and then click on Valorant and then add it to your library. Then go to the library and click on Valorant again. And then click on Install if it's available, but currently it's not available. I don't know if they still put it on Epic Games Store or not, but anyway. And then once the download is completed, you can click on this and it will prompt you to confirm. And then you can simply click on Install and it will start downloading the Riot Games client and Valorant. And once the download is completed, it will prompt you to install Vanguard. And then you can simply launch the game and play. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.